What are chakras anyway? Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing. My intention at Transformational Healing is always to help you to stay in balance. I provide many of the herbs, remedies, aromatherapy, and spiritual products that you might need on your journey. But this wonderful path also includes balancing your energy. Speaking of intention and energy, you should check out this playlist for more videos on that topic, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos. These videos are created to help you to come back to a place of peace and balance. Let's get back to chakras. Chakras are the energy centers of our body. We are energy and spiritual beings that happen to be in a physical body, and this energy is how we are all connected. Your chakras, or energy centers, are also all connected, and this is why it is important that they stay in balance so that you can stay in balance. In the West, most people use a 7-chakra system. You can see that here. Around the globe, there are other more complex systems and breakdowns that include more chakras and even minor chakras in the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. In the 7-chakra system, most people refer to Roy G. Biv, or the rainbow, to associate the colors of the chakras. But as we each see the world in a different way, we each see energy in a different way. So for example, I do not see the heart chakra as green, but to me it is pink. But this has changed over the last 30 years for me. I believe that it is due to an association of green with envy versus pink with compassion. It is something that has changed over time. It wasn't always that way. And I've spoken with other light workers that have also experienced this similar situation. When we talk about balancing and clearing our chakras, we mean to get rid of the muddy and the stagnant or negative energy. We want the energy that is around us to be light and positive. And I don't mean airy-fairy white light. I mean that we want it to be feeling light, to not feel that our energy is heavy or off balance. We want to feel balanced and not off. Darker, heavier, muddier energy tends to bog us down, and it can lead to mental health issues or emotional disorders and even physical dis-ease, meaning that it can make us sick. So we want to be aware of that energy and to keep that energy balanced if at all possible. Chakras can also be closed down due to trauma, or the energy just isn't flowing right through that area of our body. Or they can also be blasted open, and we are leaking that energy and leaking our life force energy just out into the ether. And either one of those is also not a situation that makes you feel healthy, and it also makes you feel off balance. I could spend hours talking about chakras and each chakra and how they're all interconnected, what the meanings are and the feelings and the emotions connected to when those chakras are on balance or when they're off balance, and how to cleanse them and clear them. And there will be many, many more videos on this topic. And many of these things will also be the focus of the class that I have coming out at the beginning of the new year. If you learned something new, let me know by commenting below. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos that will be coming out. You should also join the Transformational Healing Tribe, and you can do that by going to transformationalhealingbydawna.com/tribe. and I'll link that below the video, and it's also on the screen. The tribe was how you learn about new blog posts and new videos, get sneak peeks, find out what's coming up, get surprise flash sales, and always 20% off of all of your purchases. And I also love to spoil my tribe. So whenever you're seeing a sale on anything in the shop, the tribe is usually getting an even better sale than the public sale that's available. So you should definitely join the email list and become a VIP. Next week, I will share 3 of my quick and easy methods for clearing your energy when you are feeling bogged down or just off balance. So you'll learn a little bit more about chakras and how to clear that energy around you and get rid of negativity that is in your personal space versus our other video that we did that I'll put up here on clearing your space around you. So until then, many blessings. We'll see you next week. Speaking of intention and energy, you should check out... I just can't talk today. I cannot record today.